Understanding the purpose of lock and flat washers.
Hello, and welcome to our informative discussion on hardware components. Today, we'll be focusing on lock washers and flat washers, specifically why they are used and the significance of their arrangement.
What are lock washers and flat washers?
Lock washers and flat washers are two types of hardware tools commonly used in various assemblies and constructions. They might seem like simple, unimportant components, but their purpose is crucial. A flat washer is typically a thin plate with a hole in the center, usually used to distribute the load of a threaded fastener, such as a screw or nut. It helps prevent damage to the surface material and ensures an even force distribution when a bolt or screw is tightened. On the other hand, a lock washer is used to prevent a nut or bolt head from loosening with the vibration of the machine. They exert a spring force to provide a sort of locking action to secure the fastening system.
Why is the order of placement important?
The order of washer placement can significantly affect their performance. The commonly accepted arrangement is flat washer first, followed by the lock washer, and then the nut. This order is particularly crucial due to the roles that each washer plays. The flat washer serves to protect the surface of the material you're working on. It also helps distribute the pressure applied by the nut evenly across the surface, reducing the chance of material damage or deformation. The lock washer comes next, sitting between the flat washer and the nut. Its job is to prevent the nut from loosening, which it does by providing tension when compressed. If the nut were to start backing off, the edges of the lock washer would dig into the nut and the flat washer, helping to prevent any further movement. By placing the flat washer against the material surface, we protect the material and ensure proper load distribution. The lock washer then works to prevent loosening due to vibrations or changes in temperature, keeping the assembly secure. Understanding the roles and correct placement of washers like the flat washer and lock washer can greatly improve the longevity and reliability of your assemblies. Remember, the flat washer goes first to protect and distribute load, followed by the lock washer to keep everything tightly in place. With these tips in mind, your hardware assemblies will stand the test of time. Thanks for joining us, and happy building!